1996 Australian $2 coin. Today, coin collectors and casual treasure hunters. We all use them almost every day, the little gold or yellow $2 coin. It's compact, it's sturdy, and it's usually the last coin you look at before dropping it in a vending machine. But what if I told you that one specific year, one that looks virtually identical to all the others, holds a quiet secret? We're talking about the 1996 Australian $2 coin. It might not look like a rare commemorative or a glaring era coin, but the 1996 $2 is one of the most significant low mintage coins of the standard decimal series. Today, we're diving into its history, its scarcity, its value, and checking in on the most recent auction results. So, grab your coin jar, check those dates, and let's get started. The Australian $2 coin was introduced in 1988, replacing the paper $2 note, just like the $1 coin replaced its note in 1984. It's composed of aluminium bronze, weighs 6.60 g, and has a diameter of 20.50 mm. The obverse in 1996, the coin featured the third effigy of Queen Elizabeth II, designed by Raphael Maklauf. This portrait shows the Queen wearing the George IV state diadem. The reverse, the famous reverse, designed by, is unique and deeply symbolic. It features an image of an Aboriginal elder. The design also includes the Southern Cross constellation above the elder and native grass trees to the right. This design has been a constant in the $2 coin's history, but the 1996 issue stands out for a completely different reason: mintage. When a coin becomes valuable, it's usually because the Royal Australian Mint simply didn't make many of them. This is where the 1996 coin earns its reputation as a sleeper. Key date in the standard $2 coin series. Let's look at the numbers for the standard circulation issue coins. 1996 mintage. Only 13.9 million now. $13.9 million might sound like a lot, but for a standard Australian circulating coin, it's quite low. Crucially, the Mint produced no commemorative $2 coins for circulation in 1996. Every coin struck that year was the standard Aboriginal elder design. Compare this to the 1988 mintage of over 160 million, or the average mintage of around 22 million coins per year in the early decades. The 13.9 million figure for 1996 is the second lowest mintage of the standard Aboriginal elder design for circulation between 1990 and 2008. This low production number, coupled with the fact that these coins have been in circulation for nearly 3 decades, means finding one in excellent or uncirculated condition is genuinely tough. They simply weren't set aside. So, what does this rarity mean for its value? Let's break it down by condition, or grade. Circulated condition, good/fine. If you find one in your change, it's already worth more than face value. A standard, worn 1996 $2 coin typically sells for $4 to $8 on collector markets. That's up to 4 times its face value. Excellent A coin with minimal wear, often found in original mint sets, can fetch between $15 and $30 AUD. Uncirculated and certified grades, this is the real money. A coin taken directly from a mint roll or original coin set that has never circulated is highly sought after. X-mint set coins can sell for $18 to $40 AUD. Certified proof or specimen coins struck in 1996 for collector sets, which have much lower mint tag, can easily reach $50 to over $100 AUD. The key takeaway? While you're not going to retire from finding one in your change, it is one of the very few standard circulation coins that is consistently worth more than its face value, making it a true pocket change. GEM.to see the top-end value. We have to look beyond the coins meant for circulation and examine the collector versions. The Royal Australian Mint also produced limited quantities of proof and specimen coins in 1996 for collectors. The standard 1996 circulation coin, even in gem uncirculated condition, is generally sold through fixed-price dealer lists rather than headline auctions. However, the special collector strikes give us a sense of the top market value. Example 1. The 1996 silver kookaburra $2. While not the circulation type, this demonstrates the collector interest in the year. A certified 1996 2-ounce silver kookaburra proof coin was recently sold for approximately $105 to $110 in early 2025 in an international auction, showcasing the demand for the year's limited releases. Example 2. 1996 $2 proof coin. The highest values belong to the proof version, struck with special polished dies. These, often found in original presentation cases, consistently sell for $80 to over $120 Australian, depending on their perfect cameo finish and certification grade. The main driver remains the rarity of the circulation coin. It's an expensive gap to fill for anyone building a complete set of Australian $2 coins from change. The Australian 1996 $2 coin might look mundane, but its low mintage figure solidifies its status as one of the key dates in the standard decimal series. It's a fantastic reminder that not all treasures are loud and flashy. Sometimes, the best ones are the quietest. So, the next time you get a $2 coin in your change, remember to check the date. You might just have a valuable piece of Australian numismatic history.